Yep. That's funny. Are you trying to say something? Spit it out. Spit it out. Not literally. Look at my chins. Oh my goodness. Look at those chins. Where'd you get those chins? Where'd you get those chins? Where'd you get those from? Huh? Where'd you get them? Did you buy them at the store? The chin store? I'll take 2 extras. Is that what you said? Oh, yuck. Got it. I got it. Is that it? Too much noise out here? Too much noise? Oh, geez, what's that about, man?